Leah, a wheelchair user, is shown outside on campus with her service dog. Her dog assists her in entering a building and going to a classroom.
Accessibility services has helped me by getting me a wheelchair accessible room that had like a shower that I could roll into, and it was just bigger so that my chair didn't take up like the entire room, because some of the dorm rooms are small, and it gave me more space to have him. And they were able to get me a single room, so I was just with him, so that way my stuff wasn't in the way of somebody else. They also helped me because they made sure that the rooms that I had my classes in were accessible, and if for some reason the class I picked wasn't, they automatically moved that room. Like, I didn't have to do anything. Like, if there was a problem with the room, before I even really knew it, like, a room would be switched if it needed to be. So it just helped me not even really have to worry about that.